Let's go!
Every day, your skin is affected by stress, dust, heat, dirt, and constant rushing. But we know a few life hacks to make your skin look healthy and glowing all the time. Watch simple, everyday beauty tips for beginners in our new video. Getting ready in the morning is an important ritual for every girl. It's a real challenge to complete your makeup and leave home in time. Besides, you should put everything into your handbag, not forget to pick up your keys, say goodbye to your pet, see you frou-frou, behave yourself, put on your shoes. Why are my sneakers so dusty? Close the door, and rush down the stairs holding onto the handrail. Phew! The day has just started and I am stressed out already. I need to calm down. I use my hand to wipe my face. Stop! Touching your face with the same hand you pet your dog, take money, keys, door handles, and handrails is far from being the best idea. Just imagine how many germs are there on your fingers. You might as well just rub your face against dog fur or put your cheek on handrails in a public place. The best option is to have paper handkerchiefs or blotting paper always on hand. It'll help keep even oily skin looking shine-free without ruining your makeup. Your face will look excellent. Stop touching your face with dirty hands. If you still need it, use hand sanitizer before doing it. Every girl knows that you need to drink a lot of water throughout the day. But not everyone can open a bottle without a problem. A light shower can freshen up your skin. But what should you do if your mascara isn't waterproof? Your hands will just make the thing worse. You'd better use our simple life hack. Add some makeup remover into a package of wet wipes and put it into your makeup bag. Wet wipes are always handy. You can remove smudged makeup quickly and easily. I need to fix my makeup, but doing it when you're outdoors is not very comfortable. In addition to this, my makeup bag is definitely overflowing. I've got anything I may need. I'm trying to find my lipstick when I suddenly bump against reality. All my makeup is falling on the ground. Bringing an overflowing makeup bag is not the smartest idea. A full makeup bag is just an extra load. You need to have a clean out. Put aside the makeup arsenal you need on a daily basis. Take along only the stuff you may need urgently. Powder compact with a mirror, lipstick, and mascara, and your makeup bag will become light and compact at once. Now I can find my face powder without any trouble, even outdoors when I'm running somewhere. And I am not afraid of bumping against reality anymore. I fix my makeup and keep going. A number of outer factors may impact your skin throughout a day. Exhaust fumes, dust, dangerous UV light. We take away the garbage, do shopping, carry packages, take money, and put the phone to the ear. It's hard to imagine the amount of harmful bacteria attacking our gentle skin on a daily basis. Moreover, we eat junk food quite often. This hot dog is certainly not the healthiest food in the world. Do you think it will have a nice effect on your skin? I'm finally at home. I've had a busy day, and my soft and fluffy stress reliever is waiting for me at home. It's my frou-frou. It loves hugging my face, too. I fall into an armchair being totally exhausted. I dream about lying peacefully in a spa salon, doing nothing. My friend notices my tired look. Unfortunately, my skin looks as bad as I do. It's absolutely necessary to do something right now. It's high time to take care of myself. I'm going to clean my skin and pamper myself with facial treatment masks. Redhead is like a member of a beauty ambulance crew. If we are not going to visit a spa salon, then we'll arrange a spa salon at home. First things first, take away your hair and clean your face. Remove all the makeup. Dip cotton pads and wipe in warm water with a lemon. Take the pads and wipe them onto your face. Let the pores open up. Now, let's make a cleansing mask. We will need some gelatin. Pour in a spoon of milk. Grind activated charcoal and add it to the mask. Mix it. And melt the mixture in a double boiler, stirring it constantly. You can apply the mask when it becomes a milkshake consistency. Hey, Sleeping Beauty, wake up! Her skin is steamed. The pores are open. It's time to apply the mask. Wipe the face. Come on! What kind of black liquid is that? Are you sure it's safe? But I trust my friend. Redhead applies the mask with a brush like a real artist. Spread the mask evenly onto your face. Make sure to avoid your delicate lip and eye area. Even your nearest and dearest won't recognize you in this ninja mask. Now, you need to wait for it to harden. It will take about 15 minutes. I wonder what my friend is doing in the meantime. Redhead is making a fruit salad. She is cutting up strawberries and bananas. I'm sneaking up from the back like a ninja. I want to try a piece of fruit. But Redhead takes everything away. It's not for eating, but for a face mask. Chop strawberries and bananas and add some cream. Use a blender to get a smooth mass. Mmm, tasty! My friend comes back with a nourishing face mask. Well, she's made a sweet mask for herself, but not for me. Redhead takes her hair away and applies the strawberry banana cocktail on her face. Of course, her gentle moisturizing face mask looks and smells way better than my ninja mask. Banana and strawberry is a match made in heaven. She even put some fruit on top for decoration. And I get boring cucumbers. Okay then, I will put them on my eyelids. They will take my fatigue away. Now it's time to enjoy peace and quiet. At last, I can get rid of the black mask. Taking it off is not pleasant, but the result is totally worth it. The pores are free from the black dots, and I've got baby soft skin. I'm fresh like a morning rose. Applying a moisturizing cream after this mask is a must. Your skin will appreciate it. Now that your face is okay, it's time to take care of your shining smile. Redhead is not satisfied with her smile at all, but her friend knows a great teeth whitening life hack. We use a simple and effective way for a flawless smile and snow-white teeth. Grind activated charcoal into powder and mix it with toothpaste. You get a black mixture. Redhead is puzzled. It looks as though it's going to make my teeth dark. But Blondie is sure about the whitening recipe. Don't worry, just try it. The teeth whitening process requires some courage. Redhead takes the plunge and applies the black toothpaste. And an awesome Halloween look is ready. We wash off the paste and see that the teeth have become whiter. Repeat this procedure for a few days to get a better effect. What's happened to my friend? She's put too much makeup on her face. Her eye and lip makeup is way too bright. We need to do something with it immediately. Remove the excess makeup and keep in mind the main makeup rule. Always keep a sense of proportion and put the right accents in your makeup. If you do eye-catching lips, then you shouldn't emphasize your eyes. And vice versa. If you want your eyes bright, don't stress your lips. Accentuate either your lips or your eyes. And if you mix up everything, you might get a carnival mask, but not sophisticated makeup. Well, this is way better! Once you've come to grips with your makeup, do appropriate summer nails. What about something bright and gentle at the same time? Cover your nails with a white nail polish base. Put a few drops of nail polishes of contrasting colors on a flat palette. Dip a small piece of a sponge into each color. And print it lightly on the white base. Decorate the nails with clear glitter. And fasten it with a coat of clear nail polish on top. This subtle summer nail design is very easy and quick to do, and it looks creative and sophisticated, as though you have made it in a nail salon. Now, you just have to choose a summer outfit. But this is a whole different story. Did you like our beauty life hacks? Then write in your comments which beauty rules you follow all the time and which ones are new for you. And don't forget to give your thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell so that you don't miss new useful videos on the Troom channel.